Alright, this is Andrew with Jordan Home Inspections. We're at 1240 West Indiana Ave. We have the camera pushed out 113 feet to the city connection, and now we're going to pull it back and record it and see what we find. So that first connection point, that's called the nose on. That looks good. A little bit of an offset here where the pipe slipped. Looks like it's disconnected, and you might be getting some water going through that joint. There, it's starting to go over. If water goes through that joint, it can kind of erode the earth away, and then it can settle right here. Also, a couple small roots. I won't focus on those little roots because we're going to see a lot of bigger ones, but that is a little bit of an offset. And with an offset, waste can get stuck there, and if enough waste gets stuck, it can create a blockage. There's some more roots. Those ones are a little bit bigger. There's more roots. This looks like clay pipe from what I can tell so far. More roots on the left side of that joint. Enough roots here that I would recommend that it be cleaned. There's some real big ones. And then we're going to start to go underwater. So 75 feet out in standing water. Enough roots here that I would recommend cleaning it now and then having it reevaluated. I'm going to pay attention to where we start to go underwater right here. I don't see anything blocking the line, and it starts to slowly go underwater, which is not a good thing. I would rather see a blockage on the other end of that, because that would explain the standing water. If it's holding water without a blockage, that means it just has bad grade. And the only way to fix bad grade is to dig it up and reslope it. The longer the belly is, the more concerning it is, which this one, 10 feet or so. So, not the shortest, but not the longest. Back underwater. And at this point, we're going to be under the house. And so that's a very difficult spot to access. It's one thing to have to dig up a lawn. It's much harder when you're digging up in a crawl space or in a basement. So, I'm starting to have debris covering the camera head, so we're not going to be able to see as much through here. But definitely cleaning the line first and then having it scoped again would be the next step. It's possible that it's going to not be holding all this water and waste once it's cleaned, but it's possible that you have bad grade and that cleaning it wouldn't be a permanent solution. I'm going to end this recording now.